Okay guys, we're gonna purchase and set up for Windows BBS. We are here at interserver.net for Windows BBS. So we go to the cloud BBS, Windows BBS, and here's the rate they have, $10 a month, and you will see at the bottom it's 1 core 2 gig memory, 30 gig SSD storage, transfer to terabyte for $10. I'm gonna recommend we're gonna get the number 2 slice 2, which is $20. I'm gonna order this. Alright, and we're gonna use the Hyper-V and slice 2. Okay, I choose slice 2 because it has 2 cores, which means your CPU cores, and it has 4 gig memory and 60 gig SSD and 4 terabyte for transfer, which is good for our VPS. And the more you put slice cores like that, and you put more, and it's more expensive, up to 16. You can do that. So I recommend 2. That's good. And then order here. Alright, order it, which is we put Hyper-V slice 2 Windows, and then proceed, and then I agree the terms above and agree, then place your order. Alright, you can pay with your card or PayPal, so I'm gonna pay PayPal. So okay, we already pay through PayPal, and we're gonna see here at the BPS, and it is pending, the one we order right here, and you see the settings here. You will just click it and you will see it here. It's saying install progress, so still 0% completed. So we'll wait for a couple minutes to set it up. Okay, we're gonna check again. This it's active now. See in the settings. Alright, so we go to our email, and they have here deactivated already, has been successful. Alright, here's the thing. If you are new to set up on this, just go to your right here. There's a instruction here, and you go to here at the bottom. You'll see here, type the remote desktop connection right here, showing here. Alright, if it is new, you're new. Okay, and get your IP address here, copy it, and then paste it here. Alright, and then connect, and then get more choices, use a different one. Right, and then username, the administrator, put the username, this administrator, and the password. And click remember me, then okay, then click yes, and then that's it. Boom.